I'm so much grateful. I don't know how to thank you, but where it came from, may the Lord bless you abundantly. I really appreciate. Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live, learn, and laugh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, share, and like my video. To the returnee, welcome back. You know, here is our home, and I just want to celebrate you all because you've done it. You've made me proud. Our channel is really growing. Today's video is all about appreciating the channel because we are 100 plus subscribers, and something funny or something that motivates me a lot is that when we were celebrating 100 subscribers, are you ready? Hope you're ready for this. Just someone amongst you decided to gift the channel, and I was not expecting this for real, but it has happened, and that's why I feel like I should share it with you. Now that we are family, we are one. So it just happened that Monday morning, I got a surprise, and this surprise it's one of our content now. It has given me a content, funny enough, but it's also a way of appreciating you and appreciating that the person who did it. I'm grateful. So one of you just gifted me a tripod stand and ring light, and apparently I had that. I was so much eager to use it. Now that is the first time I'm using it. I've never, though it has been my wish to have one. So I have connected it. And that's what I'm using it. I feel I'm so much grateful. I don't know how to thank you, but where it came from, may the Lord bless you abundantly. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you for those who always give me that motive of pressing on. Behind every success, there is that person who pushes you. And for real, I've testified it. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Today I don't have much. It's just celebrating you, my people. You are my family. We're just celebrating 100 subscribers. Now we are road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly invite your friend, your family member, even my workmates to subscribe to this channel, that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And by doing so, it's how the channel grows. The video of unboxing the gift, I'll insert in the middle of this conversation. So I don't have much to say. It's just appreciating you. My gang, you've done it. I'm so much proud of you. Indeed, we're exploring the world. Thank you, thank you. Let's meet in another video. So it's from today, I know creating content will be so much easy. Shooting, I've been struggling shooting my video, by the way, because I had no stand. So I had to find somewhere where I can place my phone and shoot. But as from today, I'm just happy I can shoot from any point, anywhere, now that I have the stand. You've made me proud. You've made me happy. I'm the happiest woman or the happiest content creator this day. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.